This is not just a cart. It's your daily work partner. Introducing Speedigo Cargo Truck Prime. LED headlights for clear vision, smooth steering for effortless control, tubeless tires for tough terrains, disc brakes for total safety, openable sides for maximum utility, all built on a rugged carbon steel chassis with toughened glass windshield. Precision-engineered polymer and metal, strength that endures. Stay in control with a smart display and rear-view camera designed for precision and safety. Fast charging, great mileage. Compact design, sharp turns, effortless mobility. Carries up to 1 ton, built to handle the heavy.